Okay, it's me. So, you've seen my AM radio testing video, and I think I made my point pretty clear with that, but it's been immediately outdated because my nephew discovered or happened upon the fact that the plasma lamp seems to affect these things quite a bit. Yeah, it'll stay on. Get these in view here. So, just so you know that it's the plasma lamp doing it. I think that's, you can probably hear it. I'd like to make it louder, but you get the idea. I mean, if you were to just amplify this, or I don't know, it just seems like a gimme, you know. So this, I have such a iffy connection with it. I don't know, but this plus this probably cost well under $30, you know, and then you'd still need a way to record it, but it's like, yeah, could be a good power electronic setup. I don't want to frame this like I'm doing the most groundbreaking thing in the world or something. You know, I didn't discover AM radios, but yeah, it's just what this is about is giving people ideas, showing people what's out there. I have just a simple demonstration of that type of interference up on the bandcamp. The nephew helped me with it, so that's there. Still not figuring out how what my setup is here, but yes, I've been having some issues with amplifying it. Like, I was actually running that radio cassette recorder through this Behringer Euphoria M2, is it? Which I guess is considered like a lower end interface. It was cheaper, but you know, works on Linux like a charm. Monolithic kernel, got you covered there. But that's really it. I'm not gonna talk in circles. Use this. Get a plasma lamp. Gotta have it. It's really good for AM radio interference. That's basically it. I'm still not sure about like the best way to amplify it, because I ran it through this. That's what I was trying to say is I ran it through this, and it was still super quiet. I had to super amplify it in post. So I don't know why it does that. Hopefully I can figure out something better, just using another preamp in between. I don't know, but yeah, plasma lamp. Get a plasma lamp. Get them. It seems like essential. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out the Discogs.